the iPhone helps you track your monthly home maintenance tasks so your home is always well maintained and safe. Gnome can help you save an average of $1,500 per year in preventable home repairs. Begin by choosing the hemisphere in which you live. We ask you to do this so that seasonal home maintenance tasks will appear in your app in the right months of the year for your location. Choose the month you're in and get started on your home maintenance tasks. Gnome gives you a list of tasks for the month. You can add new tasks. You can delete tasks that don't apply to your house. You can sort tasks in the order in which you want to do them. As you complete tasks, check them off. They float to the bottom of the page out of the way. A year from now, when you want to use the same list, just uncheck the items and start over. You can see more details about a task by tapping on it. If you want to add more details or change them, tap Edit. Change the title, add or edit details, and add notes, DIY video links, or helpful website links. I find this useful to keep information such as what kind of filters to buy or how to maintain my house systems. If you need to remember a type of filter, battery, or another item, you can just bring in or take a photo of it to store with the task. Then tap Done and return to your task list. Some Gnome users want to share a task with someone, set a reminder to do it, or add it to another productivity app. Here's how. Tap a task. Then click the Share button in the detail view, and the options you want will come up for you to choose from. A note on use of this Share feature. You can customize the other apps that appear in Share. How do you keep track of whether your house is well maintained? When you finish all of the tasks for a month, the app will record on the stats page that you've completed your home maintenance for that month. That way you can track how you're doing as you go along. It's frustrating to start a home maintenance task only to find out you don't have a tool or item you need to complete it. Gnome tries to minimize that pain by providing you with a shopping list to which you can add items you need, and a map showing home improvement stores near you. Most months, the list of home maintenance tasks only takes a few minutes to complete. Then you can go enjoy your weekend. Gnome is available at the App Store. See the link below in the description.